Elite Generation Records.
Yeah. Every real man want a real woman. Every real man want a real one. Smile for me, girl, and come in. From your barn, you're good. And you not follow them, use no cream. Oh, yeah, yeah. Hey, Empress. You know you impress me when you're wearing that long dress. It's been on my mind for so long, I got to confess. And you no need to fake this and that, yet you are the sexiest. Oh yes. And now if you ask if you're blessed, alright. Girl, are you be waiting on for oh so long? Real black woman, make we get together, make the love grow strong. Real African, eh? Nothing and nothing with them boy there. Them little game head, them tie there. Want none of that. Every real man need a strong woman by them side. No slip, no slide. Dash with this, dash with that, no join them the life there. Now sit down and bleach pan no man every Friday. Me ask her for me when she say yes, and she not give me no stress, she not go tell them the lie there. Listen girl, you the one for me and I'm the one for you. If you ever left, you know me probably lose a school. Now that we found love, tell me what we gonna do. Build a family, make love shine through. Hey Empress. You know you impress me when you're wearing that long dress. It's been on my mind for so long, I got to confess. And you no need to fake this and that, yet you are the sexiest.